Alright, hi guys, it's Redan Vid again. Now you got the 1969 Ford Boss 302. Acceleration, speed, and handling. I'd say it's right now it's much better than our last vehicle. But let's see how it goes with this car. And yes, I know right now we're doing old cars, but that's how the game starts. I mean, just in case if you didn't know, I mean, who would not know that? I just had to mention that, I'm sorry, I don't know why. Okay, here's the interior. Nice. Roll up windows, no peat. Back seats around the car, nice. And what's interesting about this car right now, as you can see, on the speedometer at 70 miles an hour, it starts to red, so it's kind of showing you that maybe it's pushing it too much, but yeah, that's only for real life. This is just a game. Alright, let's see how it drives. What I just recognized about this car is while yeah, you have to do the same thing as our last car. You actually have to control your handling. But out of the Group 2 vehicles, once you unlock that, this was one of the muscle cars I've gotten, and I thought this would be the best one, and it turned out I could have chosen a better vehicle. That's when I got a Cobalt, shaded Cobalt. Handling, power and acceleration, I'd say it's okay. Handling, I'd probably say the same thing. I don't know how to describe it, really. I mean, good amount of power, it will go past 120 miles an hour. Switching to manual mode real quick. Not sure how it does really doing uphill. Maybe you just kind of have to switch it back and forth with second and third. If you're gonna drift like that, just stay in third. Just going through the going downhill, just that third gear, it's okay. And while drifting. So yeah, going uphill, you just kind of have to switch back and forth depending. Switching to automatic. And at the same time, race editor. Zero to 60. Okay, about 6 seconds. That's about 2.5 seconds, I'm gonna assume, with burnout and NOS. And that one was about 4 seconds, which was not that bad at all. Now top speed run. I've driven this car before. and I know it goes past 120. Obviously right now it's doing it. We're about 150 almost. So yeah, it says 120 maximum you can go. In fact, you can just go more faster than that. It's just that Nissan 240SX that you can't go past 120. Well, you can. Without the performance, you can only about like 2 or 3 miles. But with these cars, you can just go flying, almost. So average top speed is let's go with 145 average top speed. And I'll see you on the performance upgraded on this car.